In this video, we're going to see how to convert any general number from one unit to another unit. So let's start with a simple one. Let's just convert 7 feet to inches. Now, most of us know that the answer here is going to be 84 inches. But let's try to make a systematic approach that we can use to convert any unit using this simple problem to start with. So the one piece of information we needed to know to figure out that the 7 feet was equal to 84 inches is that for every 1 foot, there are 12 inches. So this ratio here is what's called our conversion factor. And this ratio is actually equal to 1. If you include the units, the size of 1 foot is the same as the size of 1 inch, or 12 inches. So this ratio equals 1. And the way we convert numbers from one unit to another unit is by multiplying them by ratios that equal 1. And if you have to convert more than one unit, you keep multiplying by a series of ratios that all equal 1 until you turn your measurement into the correct unit that you're looking for. So let's start here. We would start with 7 feet. We would multiply by our ratio of 1 foot, 12 inches. Oops, I see a problem. So right here, if I multiply this across, I'm going to get something in the units of feet squared per inch. I don't want that. So I can use a different version of my ratio. I can say, well, you know what? 1 foot over 12 inches, I can also say that there's 12 inches per 1 foot. So you want to use, this is also equal to 1. So you want to use the version of your conversion factor ratio that when you multiply it by your original number, the units will cancel out. So I'm going to go back and use my second version here. I'm going to use 12 inches per 1 foot. And now, as you can see, if I multiply these across, the foot on top is going to be canceled by that foot. The only unit left is going to be inches. 7 times 12. This is going to give me 84, and I'm left only with inches. Let's try one a little more difficult. Convert 30 miles per hour into feet per second. So our two conversion factors we're going to need to know here is that there are 5,280 feet in 1 mile, and that there are, for every 1 hour, there are 3,600 seconds. So let's use those times the original number. So we have 30 miles per hour times 5,280 feet for every mile times 1 hour for every 3,600 seconds. Now as you multiply across, the mile will be canceled by the mile, the hour will be canceled by the hour. All that's left are feet and seconds. So we can say, if we multiply the numbers, we have 30 times 5,280 divided by 3,600. If we then do this out, we will get 44. And again, our units are left over. We have feet on top. We have seconds on the bottom, so we get 44 feet per second. And you can use this technique now to convert anything. If your original measurement had 7 different units that you want to convert, you just have a series of 7 different conversion factors. But if you do it step by step, one at a time, make sure you make your conversion ratio so that the thing you're trying to convert will get canceled out. So if the thing you want to convert, like miles, is on top, your conversion ratio should have miles in the bottom. If the unit you want to cancel out is in the bottom, like hours is here, you should have hours in the top in your conversion ratio. So when you multiply them across, everything cancels out, and the only thing left are your new units.